Today I will install the Be Quiet Dark Rock 5 and go through the mounting process step by step. Dark Rock 5 is a compact, single-tower air CPU cooler renowned for its quiet operation and strong thermal performance. Ideal for mid-range gaming PCs or builds prioritizing silence, it handles up to 210 watts TDP while supporting modern Intel and AMD sockets. First I will mount the cooler on the AM5 motherboard. Remove the original brackets from the motherboard and replace them with the ones that came with the cooler. Apply thermal grease to the processor. Remove the protective foil and then attach the cooler. Tighten the mounting screws evenly on both sides to ensure uniform pressure across the CPU. Finally, attach the fan to the cooler and connect its 4-pin cable to the CPU_fan header. After installing the cooler on the AMD motherboard, I'll also show you how the mounting process looks on an Intel board. It will be a provisional demonstration only, since I don't currently have an Intel CPU available. I start with the bracket installation. Please note that I'm keeping the socket's plastic guard on because there's no CPU installed. However, feel free to seat your processor before proceeding with this step. I won't screw the cooler to the motherboard because I don't have a processor, but the procedure is identical to that of AMD motherboard which I showed in this video. Tighten the mounting screws evenly on both sides to ensure uniform pressure across the CPU. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.